We are having a riff challenge today. I'm gonna show you 5 acoustic riffs of 5 levels of difficulty. The first one can be played by an absolute beginner, but it's good enough to impress everybody at the music store. And the 5th riff is quite a challenge. See if you can play them all. Start with the easiest one, proceed to hardest one, and celebrate your progress. And let's start from Heard, performed by Johnny Cash. So we have 3 chord shapes here: A minor, C, and then move your C chord shape 2 frets up, and you have this pretty complicated D chord. So we play the A string, the D string, and play like this. Then A, D strings, high strings, and return to the A. And play the same on this D chord. And that's all. Slower. Our second riff is acoustic version of Layla by Eric Clapton. Here we have this D5 chord shape, and we play with your middle finger. Then play upstroke and relax your fingers, and play the bass note of the B flat. And play up down up. Fret your C minor chord. Сейчас это побыстрее только сделаю. Fret your C chord in that shape. Down, up, down. And D5 again with upstroke. And now let's play Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. So the first bass line looks like this. Make accents. Down, up, up. The second one. And G chord. You play the same strum pattern here. Down, up, up. So let's combine it. Then you add this bass note to your first bass move. So second time. again. Third bass move. And you fret your E minor 7. Down, up, up, and again. A7 again. So the last time we play through this A minor 7 with fourth chord, down, up, up, down, and then A, B, A, and we arrive to the verse. So the whole intro again, slowly. I hope you are enjoying this lesson so far. However, if these riffs are challenging for you, if your chords sound dirty, and if you miss your strings with the pick, then maybe you make mistakes on acoustic guitar. And if you want to fix them, check the description and the pinned comment. So our third riff is Norwegian Wood by the Beatles. In the Norwegian Wood, it is supposed to be a capo on the second fret, but whatever, we can play it without it. So we start from the D5 chord, down, up, down, up. We play this bass line, and don't forget this fast hammer. So up, down, up. Second melody line. And you should fret your D5 chord again when you play in this moment. Up, down, up. And the third melody bass line. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down. And the last but not least, Shady by Doug Watson. It may be not as well known as the others, but it's also awesome and I recommend you to learn it. We start from D minor chord and we play bass chord, and we arrive to the C. Then D again, bass chord, bass chord again, from the top. And then this shape of the F chord. Melody, chord. Arrive to the C again. Then A minor chord and bass chord. And this melody. You arrive to the D, bass, and now bass note on the A. That's all. And now from the top. Now you know 5 cool acoustic riffs, but maybe you are interested in 3 cool strumming patterns. If so, check this video out.